Hey Crunchified Clean friends, let's talk vinegar. So if you started using vinegar because you wanted to stop using disinfectants that are toxic and harsh, and you wanted to start using vinegar because it's eco-friendly, here's an important tip about vinegar you need to know. The dwell time for vinegar to disinfect is 30 minutes. What? That's way too long for me of a dwell time. And if you don't know what dwell time is, comment below. I have more information about it, and it's important to know the proper dwell time of every cleaning product that you're going to use to disinfect so that you can properly use it so it can kill the germs, viruses, or bacteria that you're looking to kill. So with vinegar, you have a 30-minute dwell time. That is a long time. And vinegar cannot be used on all surfaces either. So make sure you are liking, subscribing, liking, commenting, all that good stuff on the channel so you can see when I have new videos posted all about eco-oily cleaning tips and tricks from the Pocono's first and only award-winning green certified cleaning business, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Peace.